Shut up and sit down.
Gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and I've been sent a Prezzie from James Chapman. So I'm just gonna cover up the address there and start the opening process. So it's a nice big box of goodies by the look of this. Let's try and get it all in shot for you. Oh, look at this lot. Oh, what we got then? We have got a 1/72 scale Fox Wolf TA 152. Excuse me. So we'll be doing a bit of building on that bad boy. Yeah. Introduced in small numbers in the spring of 1945 as an high-altitude escort fighter, it proved the most powerful piston engine fighter in the Luftwaffe. Look at that bad boy. Oh, it's mint, mate. I look forward to doing that. I'll just put that on the drawer there to save me bending over. James is in a determination to get me into Lego. Oh, look at that. Lego Speed Champions. It's a Ferrari F40 Competizione. There you go. And I haven't done Lego for years and years and years and years. So I feel a Lego video coming up. Look at that bad boy. Happy days. It's got all different gubbins on here. And yeah, look at that. That'll test my skills out because I haven't done Lego, so yeah. Happy days. We got Lego 3 in 1. Oh, it looks like we got a shark, a big piranha fish thing. Look at that. Creator, it says. Oh, mate, gonna have fun with this bad boy. Which version do you think I should go for? I'm leaning towards the big old sharky, to be honest. Give it some of that, a bit of the old Jaws. Happy days. I've got a shelf just up there that all of this can live on. We've got, oh bless, oh workshop, oh bless you. I'll see what you've done there, mate. I'll get the rest of the bits of that. Oh God, we've got bags of sweets by the look of it. We've got bags of eclairs. Sugar-free sweets. Oh, bless him, because he knows about me diabetes. Oh, mate, we have got some treats in here. Loads of sweets. We've got what looks like a Festa 67's workshop. A couple of signs here. So I'm going to grab the rest of the bits and make them up, mate, because we got a figure as well. We got a Festa figure there with his paint palettes. I like what you've done there, mate. Yeah, and we've got a bit more of this sign here. Looks like Postman might have had a bit of a fight. But yeah, look, Festa 67's workshop. Oh, bless you. Oh, that's mint, mate. I love that. So I shall tidy up me boxes of goodness, mate, so that we can sort out the signs and put them all back together for you, because it looks like the postman might have been a bit heavy-handed. Nothing too complex. We've got loads of sweets in there as well, folks. Look at that lot. Hey, oh, I'm gonna have a field day with all of this, so I need to sort this out and put it all back together and get all my bits. But James, thank you very, very, very much, mate. It is massively appreciated. And yeah, we've got a nice little haul of goodies there, mate, that we can go through. Like so. So I'd like to say you are a superstar, mate. Look at that lot. Thank you very, very much, James. And catch you all later, folks. And what I'll do, excuse me, and what I'll do is once I've put all the signs back together, I'll put a picture up in the YouTube channel for you. Thank you very much, mate. Take care and see you all soon. Bye-bye for now.